Hi guys and gals, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the trading ideas and different assets and also educational stuff. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And the purpose of this video is the educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous video about the Bitcoin, I just predicted that first the Bitcoin may hit $8,500, and after that it may hit above to $12,000 as I was just watching more bullish signals rather than bearish, and I have also elaborated uh, all the signals and the chart patterns in my previous video. Uh, Now you've seen today it has almost hit $8,500 and quite close to the $8,500, and the next step can be to hit the above resistance level that is above $12,300. So now let's have some updates. I think you have liked my previous prediction, and I'm just taking you to the Bitcoin live chart, Bitcoin US dollar, Bitfinex chart. All right, this is the live chart, and first taking you to the week chart. All right, this is the Bitcoin week chart, and if on this week chart we see this thing, I think I didn't show this thing in my previous video, and this is a very important thing. You can see when the Bitcoin took the bullish divergence, the last bullish divergence, almost in the Feb 2019 up to uh, June 2019. Uh, After that, we had some correction period. The price action moved down, and the price action is moved down up to 0.618 Fibonacci, which is really a very, very perfect retracement as per Fibonacci sequence, as per Fibonacci, if we think as per Fibonacci retracement point of view, the 0.618 retracement is the ideal retracement. And most of the times, the price action or price lines take their bullish divergence after their correction period of time from this level, from 0.618 Fibonacci level. And here we can also see after this bullish divergence, after this bullish lag, the Bitcoin was forming a bull flag, and it was a very big bull flag on week chart. And this is the flag in shape of, you can say, a falling wedge. You can also say that this is the falling wedge, and if we see this bullish leg with this falling wedge, then we can see very clear that this was a bull flag. So this was the resistance of this, this was the support of this bull flag or falling wedge, and this was the resistance. And we have several touches at the top at the resistance level and also at the support level. And this time the price action is attempting to have a breakout from this falling wedge or the bull flag. Once this falling wedge will be broken out, the price action may move up to hit the next resistance level. And our next resistance level is our first resistance level is almost at 12,350 or $335 here. uh, 12,000, that is $12,325. This is our first resistance level. And once this first resistance level will be broken out, this resistance level, 12,325 and 12,325. Once this resistance level will be broken out, then our second resistance level will be here at up, and our second resistance level is at 17,000 $17,252. This is our second and the final resistance level. Once this resistance level will be broken out, then we will have a new high by the Bitcoin price action. Our last high was almost $20,000 in December 2017, which was the most famous bull run of the Bitcoin. And we have enjoyed a lot that bull run. And after that, many crypto traders have been suffering since December or January 2019 up to February January 2018 up to February 2019. So after when this resistance, the final resistance will be broken out, then we will see a next high by the Bitcoin, and let's see what that high will be. And if we see the moving averages, this is a week chart. Just keep this thing in your mind that we are watching the week chart that is very strong and long-term chart. And I'm just placing the two moving averages, even three moving averages. All right. This moving average is with the time period of 50, the green one. The second moving average is with the time period of 100, the red one. And third simple moving average is with the time period of 200 in black. Just making it more visible. All right, here we can see that first the price action, when the price action moved down after December 2017, finally the price action took the bounce from the 200 moving average on week chart. This is really a very powerful moving average because this is the 200 moving average, the average of 200 candlesticks. It moves with the average of last 200 candlesticks, and therefore this is really very strong support for the price action. And the price action took the bullish divergence, a very strong bullish divergence, and hit above $13,000. And we have a resistance level 12,325 here. And now after this bullish divergence, now after this price correction period, we are just witnessing that the price action is again taking bounce. Let me to remove this Fibonacci retracement so you would be able to see it more clear. Now here you can see the price action is taking another bounce from 100 simple moving average. That can be really a very strong bounce. And we have already a formation of 50 and 100 moving average golden cross here. You can see this is a golden cross formed by 150 moving average. The green one is the 50 and the red one is the 100 moving average. So this golden cross can even produce more powerful bull run, and both moving averages can provide a very strong support to push the price action to have a breakout from the resistance of this bull flag, and the price action may hit very soon the first resistance at $12,325 here. And if I place the Bollinger Band here on this week chart, then we can see that the price action is also taking bounce from the lower band of this Bollinger Band. That is also a really firm support. Most of the times the Bollinger Bands uh, plays a very strong support and resistance role, and here we can see that the price action is also likely to have a bounce from this support, the support of the Bollinger Band. And let me show you one more thing, and that is a very strong indicator by the Japanese, and that is Ichimoku cloud. All right. Here we can see on this week chart, I've already elaborated in my very old video. I think I posted that video a few months back. Uh, I've just shown in that video that after more than a year, the Ichimoku cloud was turned bullish again. Here you can see in October 2018, it was turned bearish here. And now here in November 2019, it was turned again bullish. And here we can see we have a strong bullish cloud, a very fat, strong bullish cloud here. And during this price correction period, the candlesticks has crossed down the bullish cloud, but to cross up the bullish cloud is not difficult for the candlesticks. If this cloud would be the red one or bearish one, then it would be difficult for the candlesticks to cross up. So here we have a bullish cloud, therefore the candlesticks can cross up this cloud very easily. And I've also shown you some more supports we have, like the 50 moving average, the 100 moving average, the Bollinger Bands, and the support of the falling wedge and the bull flag as well. So these are supports can provide a very strong push to the price action to cross up this cloud. And once this cloud will be cleared, the candlestick will be crossed up this cloud, then the price action will have a very strong push also from this cloud, because this cloud is also very strong, it plays a very strong support role as well, especially if it is green and bullish. When it is turned green, it is a really very strong support and provide a very powerful push to the price action. Then the price action can easily hit the first resistance level, that is $12,325. And in my previous video, I've also shown that we had a harmonic formation on 2-day and 1-day chart, and here we had a bullish bat pattern formation. For example, I'm just taking you to the 1-day chart, and this was the formation. And here you can see the price action completed the bullish bullish butterfly, sorry, the bullish crab pattern, and uh, we required the final, this last leg should be retraced between 1.27 up to 1.28 1.618 Fibonacci, and the price action retraced more than 1.27, between 1.27 almost up to 1.618 Fibonacci, and took the bullish divergence from this level. And now our second goal is to cross up. If this chart is executed, I've predicted in my previous video that the price action will be entered in the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. But I also said in my previous video, I'm also saying that thing again. Once the price action will cross up the 0.786 Fibonacci level, this is a very strong resistance for the price action. Once the price action will cross up, and after that, there are many really very strong chances that the price action may hit the highest key resistance, and that is the 17,200, around 17,200. First, it will hit this resistance level, the 12,000. $325, and after that there are more chances that the price action will break that resistance level of $12,325 and hit the second and the final and the key resistance level of the Bitcoin price action, and the highest resistance which the Bitcoin's price action has made so far. Now let me to show you some more indicators. For example, if we see, I'm just taking you back to the week chart, and first I'm showing you my most favorite indicator and the most important indicator, and that is moving average convergence divergence. I always use this indicator in my trades and in my predictions, in my chart formations. And here you can see the price action, the MACD was strong bearish here, and it is turned now weak bearish, and you can see the histogram is getting squeezed, and soon it will be turned strong bullish, and we will have a bull cross between these moving averages, the blue one, and the blue one is the bullish one, and the red or orange one is the bearish one. Once this blue one will cross up this bearish moving average, that will be a golden cross or bull cross uh, between the moving averages of MACD, and that can produce a very powerful bull thrust, like it has also produced here in Feb 2019. You can see here we have a bull cross, and you can see how the price action moved up in a very, very powerful manner. And here you can also see the history. We have also here a bull cross, and how the price action moved up in a very powerful manner in 2017 as well. And now I'm showing you the stochastic. That is also very important oscillator, and that is stochastic, simple stochastic. We have a clear bull cross from the stochastic, and it is moving up from the oversold zone now. And if we see the RSI, this is the RSI, the relative strength index. We can see the RSI is also turning up and turning bullish now. And now I'm just gonna show you the directional movement, and this is the DM or directional movement. All right, here in my previous video I've shown you that at that time the blue one, the bullish indicator or bullish line, was crossed down in my previous, when I posted my previous video, that was crossed down, and the orange one, the bearish, which is showing the bearish power or bears, was moved up, and we had slight bearish signals. Now you can see finally we have a bull cross from the D1. The plus D1 has, or plus DI has crossed up the minus DI or minus D1, which is the bear signal. And now after this bull cross, we have received bullish signal, and then once this ADX will be moved up with this bull signal, then we will have a finally very strong bullish signals by the direction movement as well. So far, even in my previous video, I've shown you that more indicators were in favor of bulls rather than in favor of bears. So in this video, you can see the indicators are now turned more bullish. So we can have first we can hit the first resistance level at $12,325, and after that we can hit the final resistance level that is almost at $17,252. So our first goal has hit today. We have reached today almost $8,500. Today was the highest BTC rate was the $8,442. That is around for $8,500. There can be some little bit difference in the predictions. And once our Fibonacci retracement of that bullish butterfly pattern uh, will be crossed 0.786 Fibonacci level, then we'll have a very strong chance to hit first resistance level and then second resistance level. And definitely we have several supports to provide more push to the price action of Bitcoin. So this is a very important time, I think, in my point of view. I predicted in my previous video that was a very important time to invest in the Bitcoin. But some of the people are thinking that they have missed a rally. No, they didn't miss a rally. The real rally is on the way. Soon you will see that the Bitcoin can hit $12,200, and after that the Bitcoin can hit the final resistance level. And if the final resistance level will be broken out, then we may have a new high by the Bitcoin, and nobody knows where the new high will be made. What will be the highest point, the next ever highest point of the Bitcoin? That can be even $30,000. It can be even $100,000. Only God knows where the Bitcoin will go. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it and do hit the like. Take care. Goodbye.